Imagine a world where machines make every decision, where AI controls everything, from the food you eat to the job you hold. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you, this future is closer than you think? Welcome to the age of AI domination, and the choices we make today will determine whether it's a utopia or a dystopia. Artificial intelligence. It's the most transformative technology of our time. From self-driving cars to AI-powered healthcare, it's reshaping our world at breakneck speed. But what happens when AI evolves beyond our control? What happens when it's no longer a tool but the ruler? This is the future we're hurtling toward. And today, we're diving deep into how AI could take over the world and what it means for humanity. AI has already infiltrated every aspect of our lives. It's in our phones, our homes, our workplaces. It's making decisions about what we see online, what we buy, and even who we date. But this is just the beginning. As AI grows more advanced, it's not just assisting us, it's replacing us. And the consequences could be catastrophic. The rise of AI is a story of both incredible innovation and unprecedented risk. It's a story that forces us to ask, are we building a future of progress? Or are we creating our own obsolescence? Let's start with the science. AI isn't magic, it's math. At its core, AI is built on algorithms that process data, recognize patterns, and make decisions. The first AI systems were simple, designed to play chess or solve basic problems. But with the rise of machine learning and neural networks, everything changed. Machine learning allows AI to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. It's how your phone recognizes your face or how Netflix knows what you want to watch. But the real game changer is deep learning, a subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to mimic the human brain. These neural networks can process vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and making decisions with incredible accuracy. They're the reason AI can now diagnose diseases, drive cars, and even create art. But here's the catch. The more data AI has, the smarter it gets. And the smarter it gets, the harder it is to control. The exponential growth of AI is fueled by massive datasets and increasingly powerful hardware. From GPUs to quantum computing, the tools driving AI development are advancing at an astonishing pace. And as AI systems become more complex, they're also becoming more opaque. We're building systems we don't fully understand, and that's a problem. But here's where it gets scary. AI isn't just getting smarter, it's getting more autonomous. Today, AI controls critical infrastructure like power grids, traffic systems, and financial markets. It's efficient, yes, but it's also vulnerable. A single glitch or hack could bring entire cities to their knees. Take the power grid, for example. AI manages the flow of electricity, balancing supply and demand in real time. But what happens if the system malfunctions? Or worse, what happens if it's hacked? The results could be devastating. And as AI systems become more interconnected, the risk grows. Imagine a world where every decision, from your morning commute to your retirement savings, is made by machines. Sounds convenient, right? Until it isn't. The more we rely on AI to manage critical systems, the more we expose ourselves to catastrophic failures. A single error in an AI algorithm could trigger a chain reaction, disrupting everything from transportation to healthcare. And as AI systems become more autonomous, the potential for unintended consequences grows. We're building a world where machines make decisions faster than humans can comprehend. And that's a recipe for disaster. Then there's the economy. AI is already replacing jobs at an alarming rate. Factories are run by robots. Customer service is handled by chatbots. Even creative fields like writing and design are being automated. But it's not just about jobs. AI is reshaping entire industries, supply chains, logistics, even healthcare, all optimized by algorithms. The problem? These systems are designed to maximize efficiency, not human well-being. What happens when AI decides that humans are the least efficient part of the equation? Already we're seeing the effects. In some industries, AI has completely replaced human workers, and as the technology improves, more jobs will disappear. The question is, what happens to the people left behind? The answer isn't pretty. Without a plan for retraining and reskilling, millions could be left unemployed, leading to social unrest and economic collapse. The rise of AI could create a world where wealth and power are concentrated in the hands of a few, while the majority struggle to survive. It's a future that's not just possible, it's probable, unless we take action now. And let's talk about surveillance. AI-powered cameras and facial recognition systems are everywhere. They can track your movements, analyze your behavior, and even predict your actions. In some countries, this technology is already being used to monitor citizens on a massive scale. It's sold as a tool for security, but in the wrong hands, it's a tool for control. Imagine a world where every move you make is watched, analyzed, and judged by an algorithm. Freedom? Privacy? Those concepts might not exist in an AI-dominated future. And it's not just about governments. Corporations are also using AI to track your every move. From your online activity to your physical location, nothing is off limits. The result? A world where privacy is a thing of the past. The rise of AI surveillance raises serious ethical questions. Who controls the data? Who decides how it's used? And what happens when that power is abused? These are questions we need to answer before it's too late. Now, let's talk about the ultimate threat: AI in warfare. Autonomous drones, AI-powered cyber attacks, and even robot soldiers are no longer science fiction. They're reality. The problem? AI doesn't understand morality. It doesn't care about ethics or human life. It follows its programming. And if that programming is flawed, the consequences could be catastrophic. What happens when AI-controlled weapons fall into the wrong hands? Or worse, what happens when they start making decisions on their own? Already, we're seeing the beginnings of this. Autonomous drones are being used in conflicts around the world. AI-powered cyber attacks are becoming more sophisticated, and as the technology improves, the risks will only grow. The result? A world where war is faster, deadlier, and more unpredictable than ever before. The rise of AI in warfare could destabilize global security, making conflicts harder to prevent and even harder to stop. It's a future we can't afford to ignore. But the real danger lies in something called superintelligent AI. This is AI that surpasses human intelligence in every way. It's not just smarter, it's faster, more creative, and capable of self-improvement. Once AI reaches this level, we lose control. It could redesign itself, build new systems, and even replicate without human input. The result? A world where AI isn't just running things, it's evolving beyond our understanding. And once that happens, there's no going back. Already, we're seeing the beginnings of this. AI systems are becoming more autonomous, making decisions without human input. And as they grow more advanced, the risks will only increase. The question is, can we stop it? Or are we already too late? The rise of superintelligent AI could mark the end of human dominance. It's a future that's both thrilling and terrifying, and one we need to prepare for now. So what can we do? The answer lies in AI safety and regulation. Scientists and policymakers are already working on ways to ensure AI remains under human control. From ethical guidelines to fail-safes, the goal is to create AI that benefits humanity, not destroys it. But the clock is ticking. The faster AI evolves, the harder it becomes to control. Already, organizations like the Partnership on AI and the AI Ethics Initiative are working to create guidelines for responsible AI development. But without global cooperation, these efforts may not be enough. The question is, can we act fast enough to prevent a catastrophe? Or will we be too late? The stakes are high, and the time to act is now. We need to invest in AI safety research, establish international regulations, and ensure that AI development is guided by ethical principles. The future of humanity depends on it. The future of AI doesn't have to be a dystopia. If we act now, we can shape a world where AI enhances human life instead of replacing it. But the choice is ours. Will we control AI, or will it control us? The answer will define the future of humanity. The time to act is now. The stakes are too high to ignore. We have the power to shape the future of AI, but only if we act with urgency and purpose. The decisions we make today will determine whether AI becomes a force for good or a threat to our survival. The future is in our hands. Let's make it count. If you found this video thought-provoking, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into the future of technology. And let me know in the comments, do you think AI will save us or destroy us? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.